Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a look called Siren Eyes. The origin of this look is based on the 90s model look. One of the more famous looks is Naomi Campbell when she wore it in the Dior Ready to Wear Spring Summer 1992 fashion show. So recently this look has had a resurgence and they've modernized it. So I'm going to take you through all the steps to get that. It's kind of a subtle fox eye. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. First step I'm going to do is put on an eyeshadow base. I'm just going to put on a white base with my finger, tap it out, make sure it's a nice, real thin layer.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good.
Next I'm going to go in with a brow pencil, just filling in the tail end of my brow, just to give my brows a little bit more fullness. I saw Megan Fox's version of this Siren Eye look, and I actually liked that a lot. She really smoked out the eyeliner on the top, and then the bottom she kept it more subtle, so I think that's the look I'm going to go for today. So I'm just taking the tiniest amount of setting powder and just setting that eyeshadow base. First I'm going to place down a transition shade. I'm using a slightly smaller blending brush, and I'm going to work that into my outer. Next I'm going to go in with a darker color. This is going to create the kind of smoky eyeliner look. I'm using a smaller dense brush, and what I'm going to do is start stamping it right at the very edge of my eye, and I'm going to start going upwards following my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to continue that line from the very outer edge, and it's going to be about the same height as the middle of my eye where the peak is. I'm going to continue that smokiness from the outer edge of my eye all the way to the inner corner. And to give the inner corner a little bit more definition with that line, I'm just going to go in with an angled brush and just carve out that line a little bit more. Next, I'm going to go in with a small dense brush, and I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line, and I'm going to focus it really closely to the lash line. So what I want to do is kind of carve it in a circular shape on the bottom. I just want to put a little highlight. I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner. And I'm also going to put it on the center of my lid just for a subtle sparkle there too. I did give my lashes a curl, and that kind of took off a little bit of the eyeshadow, so I'm just going to go in with a purple eyeliner just to tightline the top lash line, give it a little bit more definition. Next I'm going to pop on some mascara. And because I did a smokier eye today, I'm just gonna cover up my dark circles a little bit with a little Becca under eye corrector. And I'm just going to tap it on the very darkest part of my dark circle and then blend it outwards. So I'm gonna go in with blushy now. So I'm just gonna take it on the very high points of my cheek and then just blend it upwards. For lip, I'm going to go in with a subtle peachy look. So this is the finished look. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know down below what you think of my look and any ideas that you have for future videos. You can leave both of those down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better.